sometimes everything normal, we are feeling hunger, and sometimes we can wait the whole day even. Then the second type of Agni is uh, strong Agni. Means person eat food after every 2 hours. Person eat meat 6 times a day. Then the third Agni is slow. Means blockage, again mucus and no not good appetite. And the fourth Agni is the balanced Agni. So our aim is to achieve the balanced Agni. If we have balanced Agni, then we can eat regularly and everything goes smoothly. That when we wake up, breakfast before 9, for example, if we are on day job. And breakfast, of course, it varies person to person, it varies body type, but we suggest that not very heavy, like breakfast, because in morning the digestive fire, the Agni is not so strong. Then we suggest lunch little bit heavier, because at lunchtime our digestive fire, our Agni is stronger than morning and evening. So lunch should be the heaviest than morning and evening. And then dinner before 8, between 6 to 8. And exceptionally in pregnancy, in ladies, in children, and who are professional athletes, of course they can eat more as per appetite. But if we have balanced Agni, balanced digestive fire, it goes normal, naturally. So main thing is here Agni. And just as information, variable Agni is very common in Vata imbalance. So Vata person, if you have any Vata friend in your group, so you can notice that person can wait for food 3-4 hours. And then strong Agni is very common in Pitta. So Pitta people in general, even though everything normal, they need food after 3 hours. And if they have to wait, of course they can wait, but chances are that they can feel, it can give them anger, irritation. So if you have a Pitta friend circle or at home, so if Pitta person is angry, try food. It will work. And then the Kapha Agni is very slow, no breakfast. So they can also easily wait. So this is interesting thing that through the logic of Agni, we can check the nature of person. So for example, at my home, I'm Pitta and my partner Mandi, she is Vata. So I understand her through even Agni, her nature. And she understands me, that if I'm going outside a long tour and coming back hungry and a little bit angry, so she don't give back the same fight. So so she offered me good food. So this is interesting thing about Ayurveda, that understanding ourselves firstly, and through ourselves understanding others. It may be your colleague, it may be your partner. Because it's important to understand that why the person is feeling irritation, anger, because nobody likes to be angry. So this is the funny concept, very interesting concept. Then again, along with time, also season matters. So for example, summer is Pitta time. So in Finland we can call it like this year from May to August. So that time we do suggest to consume cold foods like raw food, salad, cold smoothie, fruit salad, watermelon, lemon of course in few amount, and then cucumber, green vegetables, because opposite of Pitta is cooling. And now in Finland it's happening kind of Vata season, like we have dryness, dry climate and cold. So we should avoid cold food, raw foods, cold salad, cold smoothie, because remember already Vata season is happening and we have dryness, we have coldness, we are feeling unstable, little bit of stress due to Vata. And if we feeding our body like with the same quality food, Vata will go double imbalance. so we will suffer. What we suggest, good food means good fat, like enough amount of ghee is known to all, so we can use ghee. Is very healthy. Oils, nuts, then this cheese, and then seeds, and massaging oil on body, and then of course internally as well. So keeping this vata balance, and then from March to May is the kapha season, like when the snow start melting outside. The same happen with the in body. So this cup start melting, and chances of allergies, sneezing, asthma, and blockage. So we must avoid the food which gives us more kapha, like fat, excess, means milk products and cheese and this good fat. We should minimize, not avoid, but minimize. And what we should consume? We should consume empty kapha. Simply, like then we can use everyone almost garlic, onion, chili soups to balance the kapha. So this is as per season. And then how to eat? So simple theories again, eating fresh food, because fresh food contains healthy prana in body. So in India, I'm from a village from India, North India. I have seen it, that even the person who is not financially very strong, who is following Ayurveda, they never consume the food they make in morning, same food in evening, because everybody know that there's no more prana in the food. Of course, sometimes okay when we are in an emergency, but we suggest that fresh food. Then of course more easily digestible food, more vegetarian. Meat is not restricted in Ayurveda. We do suggest as a part of medicine. And then this food should contain all the 6 tastes. We call it rasa, 6 rasa. So sweet, sour, and then pungent, astringent. So these, when we suggest food list to patients, so the list we make to different body types, vata, pitta, and kapha, it contains all the 6 tastes. But all the tastes is not good, same amount not good to everyone. So it's different for vata, different for pitta, and different for kapha. Then, sir, I like to share, as you asked us that if you have any feedback, I can share with you permission to the audience, and we also got permission from the person. This person, I think many of you know, this is the very famous rap singer of Finland. Sir, he visited with his family, his daughter. That time that her age was 2 years old, and she was suffering from digestion problem and pain and bleeding and many things. And they were visiting hospital in Finland about 1 year. And every test done, endoscopy, gastroscopy, and nothing found. And they read about me through internet, and they came, and within, I think, 5 minutes, I made the diagnosis, and the medicine was food. She was unknowingly falling wrong food. They were giving her unknowingly, by mistake, wrong food. Okay, I gave them the list, and guess what? How many days took to treat the patient? 2 weeks. And they sent me a feedback that, hey, thanks, we wasted 1 year to visiting hospital. Of course, I do respect all doctors. Every doctor tried their best to treat the patient. But they were so surprised, and then this person visited itself. Because firstly, he wasn't really interested in Ayurveda because he totally new, but he has seen a live example, wow. And now, after that, he suggested Ayurveda to almost all the cream of Finland, celebrities, mostly singers, actors, and I'm thankful to him for that. And I got permission from him to share this feedback. So we have hundreds of stories like this. So, and he's following, and he's very bravely sharing this story. Wherever he go to concert, I sometimes feel so that wow, he go to any concert and then he starts sharing this story, different topic, but this is Ayurveda works. And whenever the girl tried to follow wrong food, which I avoiding list, so she starts suffering again. So this is the logic of Ayurveda, that know yourself, and then Ayurveda works. Then we have a restricted time. I have lots of things to say, but we have to go with time. About the book, Harriet told you all of you, 3 books I took, so 3 lucky winners will get this book. But later, if you like to know more about Ayurveda, please, you can buy from leading bookshops. And I do suggest you because now 3rd edition of book is coming. And when the first edition came, we were also a little bit doubtful, but I'm so happy that people are liking it, and it's a Nordic version of, a simple version of Ayurveda. Everybody who like to know Ayurveda, should be the first step, because we make it very simple, very clear that start from this. And now, if you have any question, please let me know. We have about, Harry told me we have about 2 or 3 minutes.
3.
3. Yes. So, simply, Ayurveda, as Ravi sir told, that it's not only about food, it's about knowing our true nature. Through body types, we can understand ourselves, that if I have some imbalance, I have some disease, I have some symptoms, what is the reason behind it? And we can fix it by right lifestyle, right diet, and it contains, of course, many things, herbs, meditation, yoga. So, please, any question if you have. So, I like to thank all of you, and once again, His Excellency Rishi, thank you for giving us this opportunity to spread this message of Ayurveda, and all the team, especially Mini, Harriet, Bhavna, Osi, Jerno, and if I forget any name, I'm sorry. I'm super excited because after COVID, this is the first time I am in the audience. So thank you so much.